Yo, this is Edo Unboxing Official. Welcome to another episode. In today's episode, I'm gonna unbox this foil shaver from Kemei. Okay, with the model number KMT402. This cutter blade of this foil shaver can fit this one. Okay, both of them they are the same. Wait a moment, let me show you guys. So you can see. Yep, and this one they are the same. Big brands also use this cutter blade. So stay tuned, man. Yo. So they got the same foil. Both of these foil shaver got the same foil. Okay. And they got the same cutter blade. This one is a little bit aggressive than this one. Both of these foil shaver, they are really good. I unboxed the hair clipper and the hair trimmer of this foil shaver long time ago. I'm gonna show them right here. And I got the foil shaver and I said let me bring it to you guys. So this is the Kemei with the model number KM-T402. Okay, got IPX7 or water resist. That's what they say. Full metal body somehow. Yeah, got 3 speeds. The first speed got 9,000 RPMs. Second speed 9,500 RPMs, and the third speed 10,000 RPMs. Yo, and it's an American design, so I hope you can read it. American design, and also the cover. The cover got a UV, so I hope you can see it good. Okay, got a UV. Okay, and got 1400 milliamp battery, charging time 2 hours, operating time 90 minutes, and got 5 watts. Alright. Okay, what else? Nothing else. So now let's open it up and see what it got for us. Inside it's always the same thing. So the manual, the manual. So okay. And little brush and USB-C charger. This is the foil shaver. Okay, it's a metal body. The body here, it's somehow a grip, just like the hair clipper and the hair trimmer. You know, Up here is also metal, so you can see UV, and down here, so you got a USB charging and the normal charging port. Okay, and the side, you got the power button and the plus and minus button. The other side, nothing. Okay, and the back side. So that's it. And here, the front side here. So Open it up. This is the foil. Okay. So you can see. And here, I guess it gives the UV power here and here. Okay. So now let's make a sound check. So you can see 10,000 RPMs. It's written. And minus button 9,500 RPMs. 9,000 RPMs. So now let's see if maybe it starts from 9,000 again because I left it there. Yep. Okay, now to the highest. Off. So I hope it starts also from 10,000. Yep. It starts from 10,000, which is good. Okay. Yeah. So now let's open. To open. And this is the blade. It's not bad. Okay. And this one got just one speed. I guess got 7,500 RPMs or something like that, you know. And it cuts really good. So I need to test this one out. If maybe it cut also really good, you know. This one is much more faster. You know, most of the foil shaver they are okay, you know. But the main problem with this Chinese foil shaver to find the spare parts. That's the main problem. You know, okay, the cutter blade, you can see it in other big brands, you know, but this place right here, if maybe this one is broken, this plastic right here, if maybe it's broken, where will you find this piece? That's the problem, you know. Yeah, normally they are good, you know. I still need to test this one out if maybe it's good or not. Before I forgot, you know, about this UV. You see this thing right here? So this one and this one and here. Either here, either here or this side. So it depends on how you put it, you know. It will light up this UV, and this is the UV inside. This one and this one. So I don't know if maybe it's really good or not. So to put it, just so it lights up. So you can see. So that's it for the unboxing of this, you know, foil shaver from Kemei. And peace, man.